On the internet, just search about any celebrity, and you will be surprised to see that all of them have failed multiple times in their life. Meaning, thereby, there is not even a single person in this world who today is at a good level but hasn't failed ever. Everyone has to go through failures. But to reach heights in life, it's important to accept the failure. It's important to learn from the failure. It's important to be brave during failure, because failure comes to build you. During your tough time, the most important thing that you can teach yourself is to hang around, not give up. It's important to believe that it is just a phase and it will pass by. Though it's a very small thing to do, you just have to tell yourself, I have to be strong enough to face the failure. But most people start feeling low, get depressed, and they are not able to digest failure. Rather than thinking to harm yourself, you need to learn how to smile during failure. Yes, not thinking about what the world will say, not thinking that people will laugh at you, but crafting yourself, repairing yourself. And when you repair yourself, you take up the commitment that I will take all the necessary lessons from the failure that I have seen. I will build myself again. When you have such a mindset, then nothing can stop you. Now you need to figure out what went wrong. Whatever you failed in, pick up that thing again. Find out what went wrong. And from the 24 hours that you get in a day, give it the maximum time. Make this thing the priority of your life. Gain more knowledge about this work every single second. You have to become the best. And when you have the courage to work on something every single second of your life, it builds. It builds a great future for you. It builds a great name for you. You just have to be wise enough to tell yourself that I will not keep myself in that negative zone of failure. I will take failure as an opportunity to make myself better. I will find out what went wrong, and all my energy will be compiled and implemented on my work. With this attitude, when you start working for your goals, you will find out many new ways to become better. Remember, life is never easy for anyone. You hear about a lot of people who became successful in their life, but all of them have seen very harsh time in their life. They just chose not to give up. They chose to carry on, learn, and exactly the same thing is what you have to do now. Trust me, when you have goals to achieve and you have a clear vision and you are consistent in your efforts, life gives you great results. All those results that you have to achieve. So don't feel bad during failure. Take it as a friend, take lessons, and build your life. You have to be successful.